Now we are going to talk about that in a we are going to see about that in a bacteria. Okay, so it is a one of the kind in a microbe, you know that. Yes, Rama. So bacteria are microscopic. Bacteria, how it is a microscopic. Microscopic means we are able to see only through the microscope. So it is a single celled. Yes, it is made up of a single cell and prokaryotic organisms. Prokaryotic means the nucleus, the chromosome, it is not covered within a nuclear material. Nucleus அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் வந்து பார்க்க முடியாது. ஓகே, செல்லுனா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோமா, செல் மெம்பரேன் இருக்கும், அண்ட் தென் சைட்டோபிளாசம் ப்ரெசென்ட் ஆகிருக்கும், நியூக்ளியஸ் இருக்கும் இல்லையா. ஸோ நியூக்ளியஸ்க்குள்ளே வந்து குரோமோசோம் ப்ரெசென்ட் ஆகிருக்கும். பட் ஆனால் இங்கே நியூக்ளியஸ் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு நியூக்ளியர் மெம்பரேன் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு அவுட்டர் கவரிங் இல்லாமல் குரோமோசோம் வந்து ப்ரெசென்ட் ஆகிருக்கும். ஸோ தட்ஸ் ஒன்லி வி கால்ட் அஸ் அ ப்ரோகேரியாட்டிக். Karyona nucleus, prona primitive nucleus. That is only we called as a prokaryotic organisms without nucleus. Okay, that is me. What's the meaning? Without nucleus and other cell organelles. Okay, so other cell organelles also present. Okay, some it is absent, some it is maybe present. Organelles means inside present that in a what it is, mostly cell means mitochondria, powerhouse we draw. Yes, Rama, ribosomes we draw, endoplasmic reticulum we draw. So but it is nothing here is draw because its cell organelles is absent here. Although majority of the bacterial species exist as a single celled forms. Okay, so bacteria is a single celled form. Some appear to be a filaments of loosely joined cells. Okay, so some it is joined in manner and combined to us in a thread like, that is only we called a filament. Okay, joined cells it is combined present. The size varies from the less than 1 to 10 micrometer. It is we pronounce as in a micrometer. Okay, so 1 to 10 micrometer it is present in a length and 0.2 to 1 micrometer in width. Okay, how is the length? It is a 1 to 10 micrometer. How is the width? It is a 0.2 to 1 micrometer. Okay, this is the width. Okay ma, bacteria may be motile. Motile means it is able to movable. ஓகே, மூவபிள் மீன்ஸ் அதாவது ஒரு பிளேஸ்லேருந்து இன்னொரு பிளேஸ்க்கு மூவ் ஆச்சுன்னா அதை மொட்டைல் லைக் வைஸ் செட் ஆர் நான் மொட்டைல். ஓகே, ஸோ நான் மொட்டைல் மீன்ஸ் இட்ஸ் நாட் பாசிபிள் டு மூவ். ஸ்பெஷல் ஃபியூ ஸ்ட்ரக்சர்ஸ் கால்டு ஃப்ளாஜெல்லா. ஸோ இதில் இருக்க ஸ்பெஷல் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் நம்ம என்ன நேம் பண்ணுறோம், லாங் த்ரெட் லைக் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் வி கால்ட் ஆஸ் அ ஃப்ளாஜெல்லா. ஓகே, ஸோ அண்ட் ஃபவுண்ட் ஆன் தட் இன் அ செல் சர்ஃபேசஸ் ஃபார் மொட்டைலிட்டி. Okay, special structures called flagella and found the cell surface for motility. So what is the purpose flagella having means it is for in a movement. Okay, so this is the basic structure. So what is the structure it is present? Only cell membrane is present, chromosome is present, and movement purpose it is present that in a flagella. Okay, so that is we called as a motility. Okay, so next one we are going to study that in a bacteria shapes of bacteria. Based on that, the bacteria is divided into 3 kinds. Okay, so what are they means? Based on the shapes, bacteria are grouped as, so why you spherical shaped bacteria, underline that it is a spherical shaped bacteria, rod shaped bacteria, and then spiral shaped bacteria. In a name itself you are able to understand that spherical means it is having that in a shape likewise, and a rod shape, sorry, this is a rod, this is a spherical is a round structure, and spherical in structure, and a rod means it is slightly having us in a cylindrical likewise structure. Okay, and spiral shaped body, that is a spiral shaped bacteria. Okay, so each and every one it is having us in a, it is a shape based bacteria. So each and every one we are able to mention a name. Okay, spherical shaped bacteria we called as a cocci. Say repeatedly, cocci. Cocci is a plural, coccus is a singular. Okay, coccus is a singular, it is a singular form. Only one mention means we have to use likewise, but here here you have to use that in a for plural cocci. Okay, cocci or coccus for in a single cell. Okay, so rod shaped bacteria, you see that this is a rod shape. Likewise you draw means this is a rod shape. So rod shape called as bacilli. Okay, bacilli is a plural form, bacillus is for in a single cell. Okay, bacillus. So in a name it is backside adding means its shape able to we are able to understand. Then spiral shaped bacteria called the spirulina. Okay, spirilla. Okay, spirilla means for in a single cell. Okay ma, so important. So based on the bacteria, based on the shape of a bacteria is divided into three. One is a cocci, bacilli, spirilla. They say repeatedly, cocci, bacilli, spirilla. Cocci means it is in a spherical shape, bacilli means it is in a rod shape, spirilla means it is in a spiral shape. So in the name பின்னாடி ஆட் ஆயிருக்குன்னா இதோட ஷேப் வந்து மென்ஷன் ஆகும். ஓகேயா? ஸோ do you know Anton von Leeuwenhoek, the first microbiologist, designed his own microscope. ஓகே, ஸோ அவர் ஒரு ஓனாக ஒரு மைக்ரோஸ்கோப்பை வந்து டிசைன் பண்ணாங்க. ஸோ இன் 1674 he took plague for his own teeth and observed it under the microscope. He was astonished to see many tiny organisms moving around. teeth around பண்ணி என்ன பண்ணிச்சு, நிறைய tiny organisms வந்து மூவ் பண்ணிச்சு, which was otherwise invisible to naked eyes. So that is we are not able to see the naked eyes. Naked means normal eyes. normal eyesல நம்மளால பார்க்க முடியாது. okay, so first microscope டிசைன் பண்ணது யாரு? ஆண்டன் வான் லீவன்ஹுக். He only designed that in a microscope. Okay, so next one, structure of bacterial cell. So bacterial cell has cell membrane. Bacterial cell has cell membrane. You see that I draw the structure. Bacterial cell has cell membrane. Okay, so this is a cell membrane. Okay, so what's a bacteria? It is a rod shaped structure. So it is a we called as a bacilli. Okay, bacillus. Okay ma, so it is for typical study only we have studied that all the bacteria it is inside having a material likewise only is covered by a strong rigid cell wall. Okay, so cell membrane also present. Cell membrane surround பண்ணி என்ன இருக்குமா, it is having that in a strong rigid means it give the stiffness to the cell. First one we called a cell membrane or plasma membrane. Okay, so this is a what it is a cell wall. It is a strong and rigid. Okay ma, so next one, in some bacteria outside the cell wall there is an additional slimy protective layer called a capsule made up of polysaccharides. In some bacteria, okay, in some bacteria outside the cell wall there is a additional slimy protective layer called a capsule made up of polysaccharides. So some bacteria it is having that in a one more layer that is we called a capsule, but it is not present in a all that one. Some only it is present that in a capsule. Okay, so capsule it is surroundly having in a cell wall. Okay, so how it is made up of? It is made up of a polysaccharide. Poly means many, saccharide means sugar. Okay, polysaccharide, many saccharide it is combined to form that. The plasma membrane encloses the cytoplasm. The cell membrane we said, you know, that's only its another name is a plasma membrane. Plasma membrane Okay, so it is enclosed inside what, Rama? It is enclosed within a cytoplasm. Inside enclosed within a cytoplasm. We put a point in a even manner, otherwise you give a shade in a lightly. Okay, so how it is now? Okay ma. So that is the plasma membrane encloses the cytoplasm. Incipient nucleus that is present. Incipient nucleus means nucleoid, that is without nuclear membrane. It is present that in a chromosome, that is we called as an incipient nucleus, or otherwise that is we called a nucleoid. This is not a nucleus without covering present means that is we called a nucleoid, or otherwise it is named as an incipient nucleus. Okay, incipient nucleus. Ribosomes and DNA which serve as in a genetic material. Ribosome means it is a very small structure present in a cell, so that is also and DNA. Okay, that is a nuclei. It is having that in a DNA. DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid. It is present in that in a animals. Okay, so how it is? It is ribosomes and DNA also it is present as a genetic material. Genetic material means it is transferred from the one generation to another generation. That is only அதோட கேரக்டர் கேரி பண்ணிட்டு போகிறதா நம்ம ஜெனட்டிக் மெட்டீரியல் நேம் பண்ணுறோம். Ribosomes are the site of protein synthesis. Okay, so ribosomes what it is doing means it is produce that in a protein synthesis. Ribosomes it is produce a protein synthesis. Ribosomes. Okay, so it has produced that in a protein synthesis. Protein means you know that synthesis means production. Protein production it is occur in that in a ribosomes. They lock membrane. Okay, bound organelles. Bound organelles means mitochondria, then what it is Golgi apparatus, and then endoplasmic reticulum. These are all we called as a membrane bound organelle. உள்ளக்க இருந்து நமக்கு ஒர்க் பண்ணுற சின்ன சின்ன கம்பார்ட்மெண்ட் ஆர்கனுல் நேம் பண்ணுவோம். ஸோ அதை நம்ம என்ன நேம் பண்ணுவோம்? ஆர்கனுல். ஸோ இட் இஸ் லேக், இட் இஸ் ஆப்சன்ஸ். Okay, these like that organelles is not present. In addition, in this small extra chromosomal circular DNA called plasmid. Okay, so apart from that it is having that in a small extra chromosomal extra means you know that it is excessively having it is a chromosome structure it is present, that is we called as a plasmid. It is a very important, keep in mind. So is a bacteria cell plasmid வந்து நம்மளுக்கு யூஸ் ஆகிற ஒரு genetic material. ஓகேயா, so this is a plasmid. ஓகேமா, so plasmid it is what it is? It's extra chromosomal lack of that in a small extra chromosomal circular DNA called a plasmid. It is found in the cytoplasm. It is where it is located in a cytoplasm. So look at that one more time, recall. That is a cell membrane is present, strong cell wall is present, and some it is present the capsule. Okay, inside it is having a cytoplasm, nucleoid it is present, and in a nuclear chromosome and what it is DNA and ribosome is act as a genetic material. Plasmid is a extra chromosomal DNA is also present it is. Okay, other cell organelles is not present. Okay, this is a recall for that in a bacteria. This is a bacteria structure. This is a structure of bacteria. Okay ma.